Chmer has another brand called AMS. One of the themes of this year is automation. Let's see the wildcard EDM combined with the small hole drilling machines. And Safiros, could you please tell us the features of the AW3X and the AD4LT?
Okay, mainly focus on European market to meet the demanding of automation and compact design for reducing the floor space at the factory. That one for processing cycle in light-sinker spark erosion and the EDM drilling for starting hole in differential shape hole, especially can fit in aerospace and automation industry.
Safiros, could you explain the process from the AD4LT to AW3X?
Okay, suppose if we could imagine there is a small part of mold which requires EDM drilling, then sent to the wire cut machine for cutting processing. This mechanical device can bring the operator a good experience of finishing EDM drill and the wire cut both at the same time. No need of wasting more time for calibrating by die gauge or changing electrode by manual. It saves us huge time and manpower, very adapted for the European market general factory owners.
There's a robot between the AD4LT and the AW3X. So how much weight can this UR5 robot carry?
As the name just suggests, it can be loaded for 5 kg job, and for sure, if there are any overweight part, then we have to upgrade the payload in its weight for the robot model.
I could see it's a very compact system. Is there any device that they are sharing?
You hit a very good point, because the machine integrates two machines are 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 compact mechanical design. It can wield the maximum production power by a flexible processing, even if only use one single machine can do multiple jobs. AEC AGC on AD4LT and the 30 kg jumbo spooler and the AWT on 3 axes are the core technology on each machine. And now we can easily to connect them for a maximum production ability through the UR5 robot and the feature clamping system. It brings the factory owner and the operator for understanding that we can do EDM job by the different concept about automation in 21st century.
Electrochemical machines is also known as ECM. Chmer's ECM is for deburring only. And this year we demonstrate the E300D, and we are developing this new line. So Leif, would you please tell us the features, the advantage of ECM?
Yes, the same as EDM. The ECM also has the limit that the workpiece can only be electrically conducted. But ECM does not generate any sparks, so there is no electro wear problem. And this is the big advantage and the big feature for the mass production than EDM. And also the EDM applications are wider than the EDM based on the core technology on the picture. That is the how we can provide to our customer with tons of the know-how. Also here, we see the E300D. This machine can easily remove the burrs in the intersection of the drill holes, and the yield rate is up to 100%.